The last boat jumble of the year. Not quite so busy this time, but we'll see what they've got on offer. Outboards, etc.
Boom tent.
Yeah.
Right, well, how big's your dinghy? It's a regatta. Bloody joking.
Oh, he had a hand.
He didn't have a hand.
Sad looking dinghy.
Where are we next? Yeah, which way we go?
Loads of stuff. Water maker over there. Survival suits. Every kind of fender and rope you could wish for. Very good prices on the ropes. Even bigger stuff. Lots of different fishing tackle. Complete range of stuff. And on to the usual boat jumble stuff. Mud guards, anchors, muffs, ropes again.
Do it back as well.
Plenty of paint. Polo shirts, jacket shirts, waterproof at the back. Too small for me, unfortunately. Nice little dinghy.
No, I'm not going to go that and I know there's no more here, right? Like brand new ones.
Fishing floats, books galore.
Well, if you like, I've just said.
Lots of stalls selling rope. Oh, she spotted something, guys.
Well, I was thinking
Nice for in the
cabin at the back, the bedroom part, and then them on the.
nice little vintage Johnson.
You will, some seats there. I'm sure you will.
I don't normally, to be honest. Not my style.
Oh yeah.
What? Oh yeah, let's have a look.
You're not going to bust them.
Get them! Ah! Oh,
Perfect fit.
actually, they are. They feel nice, yeah.
Look at that.
Tango out, so
Well, other thing that comes out this end.
we're getting our coffees and we're getting one. There's non-negotiable as well.
There's one here.
You sure?
Yeah, well, they're nice for winter.
Lobster pots.
So I just want to make sure I put it back. Yeah, no, it's alright. Yeah.
Original cork floats. Nice aerated cap. Channel.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
So we're on
Yeah, put this
the
across
Disabled Sailing Association stall. They've got everything from life jackets through clothing. Just bought a very nice jacket for Lynn, ropes, etc. And you say you sail every morning from Torquay Harbour?
Yeah, from Torquay Harbour. Half past 10 we leave, and then get back about 3:30.
Oh, great
Stop
stuff.
off for lunch.
Yeah,
and,
I've seen the two yachts.
Yeah.
They're outside Harbour Master's office.
That's it, yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Still part of the Disabled Sailing Association stall. Never laugh at me trying to pull the middle together.
Rob trying to jack it on. There's a set to it. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, he's got a big fat belly. Rob looking at the trousers to match the jacket now.
No way.
Crikes.
No, that's it.
There's a new strain going on.
Walking around now. He's carrying his trousers and jacket because I'm not carrying it, it's too heavy for me. I've got a big bag full already. But a beautiful jacket, so.
Well, today's haul consists of, come on Lynn, model them.
Oh, what?
2 seat pads for the cockpit, £5 each.
Right, hold on.
You take that, Lynn. I've got the Musto suit. Complete suit.
Yeah.
Salopettes. 25 quid for the set. So Lynn, tell you, never argue with a woman. Here we go. Full jacket as modelled by the luscious Lynn.
Ooh.
Oh, full waterproof. What we got on the what does it say? Thermotic flotation. Oh, so it's a flotation jacket. Well guys, look at that. 5 quid.
Yeah.
New. Can't believe it. And we've got a crew life jacket marked up at 10, got it for 5. It has, most of these things don't have the crutch strap. This one has. We've checked the cylinder and everything. It's not been fired, it's in date, for a £5.